welcome! Today we are going to make pancakes, fluffy pancakes. We are going to use flour, sugar, melted butter, eggs, milk and baking powder. First we add all the dry ingredients in the bowl. We put the flour, we put the sugar, we add the baking powder and we mix. After this, we add the milk. All the milk so we can arrive to the perfect consistency. We mix the egg and we add it too. Start mixing all the ingredients together. See, now the preparation is asking for more liquid, still too dry. So we are going to add first the butter and continue mixing. See, still too dry. So we add a little bit more of milk. We are almost there. We put the rest of the milk. Now that the consistency is almost ready, we add a little bit of vanilla essence or vanilla extract if you prefer. Now we have the perfect consistency. You can draw in the preparation. Now we use a good pan so the pancake don't stick on it, and we add a little bit of oil or butter. Once that the pan is hot, we use a spoon to make the pancake.